Hello and welcome. We all crave a bit of peace and tranquility, don't we? A place where we can relax and rejuvenate. For many of us, that place is the bathroom. Today we'll explore 5 houseplants that thrive in the warm, humid embrace of your bathroom. These easy care beauties will transform your space into a spa-like oasis, bringing you closer to nature with every shower and soak. Are you ready to invite these green companions into your home? Let's begin. Our journey into the verdant world of bathroom-loving plants begins with the fern, a symbol of resilience and grace. Just picture its delicate, feather-like fronds unfurling in the gentle warmth of your bathroom. Ferns adore humidity, making them ideal companions for your bathroom sanctuary. Among the many varieties, the Boston fern and the maidenhair fern are especially well-suited for this environment. They don't demand direct sunlight, drawing life from the indirect rays that grace your bathroom. Remember to keep their soil consistently damp, like the forest floor after a gentle rain. Think of the joy of waking up to a bathroom that feels like a miniature rainforest. The fern, with its air of tranquility, reminds us to slow down and appreciate the simple beauty of nature. Allow yourself to be captivated by the intricate patterns of their fronds, each one a testament to nature's artistry. Embrace the presence of ferns in your bathroom and let their tranquil energy transform your space into a haven of peace and rejuvenation. Now let's turn our attention to another remarkable plant that thrives in the bathroom environment, the snake plant. This striking plant, with its upright, sword-like leaves, embodies strength and resilience. Imagine this. You've had a long, tiring day. You step into your bathroom, seeking solace and a moment of peace. Your gaze falls upon the snake plant, standing tall and proud, its vibrant green leaves reaching upwards. This is a plant that understands our busy lives. It doesn't demand constant attention, content to thrive in low-light conditions. The snake plant is a silent guardian, diligently purifying the air around it. It absorbs toxins like formaldehyde and carbon dioxide, replacing them with fresh, clean oxygen. Its striking architectural form adds a touch of modern elegance to your bathroom decor. Think of the snake plant as a symbol of self-reliance and inner strength. Welcome the snake plant into your bathroom and let its quiet strength inspire you every day. Now, let's introduce a bit of playful energy into our bathroom sanctuary with the charming spider plant. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, sunlight streaming through the bathroom window, and your gaze falls upon your spider plant. Its long, graceful leaves, striped with creamy white, seem to dance in the gentle breeze. The spider plant is not only a visual delight but also a champion of clean air. It's a natural air purifier, diligently removing pollutants and toxins from the air we breathe. And if that wasn't enough, the spider plant is also incredibly easy to care for. It thrives in the humid environment of the bathroom, drawing moisture from the air. A little bit of indirect sunlight is all it needs to flourish. The spider plant, with its playful spirit and air-purifying prowess, reminds us that caring for our environment can be a joyful and rewarding experience. Welcome the spider plant into your bathroom and let its playful energy brighten your day. As we continue our journey through the world of bathroom-loving plants, we encounter the aloe vera, a plant revered for centuries for its soothing and healing properties. Imagine this. You've just stepped out of a long, hot bath, your skin feeling a little dry and sensitive. You reach for a leaf of your aloe vera plant, carefully snipping it at the base. Inside, you discover a cool, gel-like substance, a gift from nature that has been used for generations to soothe burns, cuts, and skin irritations. Gently, you apply the gel to your skin, feeling its instant cooling and hydrating effect. The aloe vera plant, with its thick, fleshy leaves, is a symbol of healing and resilience. It thrives in the warm, humid environment of the bathroom, its succulent leaves storing water. Place it on a windowsill where it can bask in the gentle morning sun. The aloe vera is a reminder that nature provides us with everything we need to care for ourselves. Welcome the aloe vera into your bathroom and let its gentle presence inspire you to prioritize self-care and embrace the healing power of nature. And now, for our final stop on our journey through the lush world of bathroom-loving plants, we encounter the peace lily, a plant whose very name evokes a sense of tranquility and serenity. Imagine this. You enter your bathroom, and your gaze is immediately drawn to the elegant silhouette of the peace lily. Its dark green leaves, glossy and smooth, seem to absorb the light, creating an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. And then your eyes fall upon its blooms, delicate white spathes that unfurl like graceful flags of peace. The peace lily thrives in the warm, humid environment of the bathroom, its elegant presence transforming this space into a true sanctuary. It prefers low to medium light, making it ideal for bathrooms with frosted windows or those that don't receive direct sunlight. Imagine the simple act of misting its leaves, each droplet catching the light like a tiny crystal. The peace lily, with its elegant beauty and air-purifying qualities, reminds us of the importance of creating spaces of peace and tranquility in our homes. Allow yourself to be captivated by its graceful presence, its delicate blooms a reminder of the beauty that exists in simplicity and stillness. Welcome the peace lily into your bathroom and let its serene presence transform your daily routine into a ritual of self-care and rejuvenation. And there you have it. 5 extraordinary houseplants ready to transform your bathroom into a personal oasis. From the lush, tropical vibes of the fern, to the architectural elegance of the snake plant, the playful charm of the spider plant, the healing touch of the aloe vera, and the serene beauty of the peace lily, there's a plant to suit every taste and bathroom style. Remember, these green companions not only enhance the visual appeal of your bathroom, but also contribute to a healthier, happier you. So, which of these plant companions will you invite into your bathroom? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on creating a home that sparks joy. See you in the next video.